All right, so this is crazy. This precision screwdriver set is just under $3, and this one is just over $3. They arrived in the mail today. I do IT for a living. I also do a lot of tech product reviews like this. So I use precision screwdrivers just about every day. And I wanted to have some extra lying around the house because I always use them in different places. So I'm gonna check these out and see if they're any good. All right, so this is the slightly more expensive one. You can see it does come with a handful of different bits or drivers, whatever you want to call these. And then the screwdriver handle is in the middle. So let's find a Phillips. All right, this is the right size for what I would use. Let's stick this in. Think it's magnetic. Let's see. Not very. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit magnetic, but as you can see, you can shake it out. It's not holding in there really well. Let's grab a computer. That's kind of wobbly. It doesn't look wobbly there, but it is a little bit wobbly. Let's see. All right, so it is about the quality you would expect for $3. Though honestly, I don't know how they could sell this for $3. It's not grabbing the screw really well. I do have to put quite a bit of pressure on it and then it's fine. This will work just fine. It is not great, but it works. Okay, I really like this design because it's just kind of like a purse. You can put this anywhere. This is so small. And check this out. So it's got the handle here, which is nice. This doesn't really turn that well. That's okay. But these are all kind of clipped in. You can see like this. But oops. Yeah, exactly. So you can just fold them in and then they stay inside. So as long as you don't do what I just did, that's kind of a clever way to hold these in place so you don't lose them. That's cool. So let me take the Phillips out. Let's try it out. Put this in. Okay, so interesting. So there are these little pieces. You have to put it in the right way. Oh, and that is definitely magnetic. That is not coming out. All right, and oh, that seems a lot smoother as well. Let's try this. Oh, that grabs a lot better too. Okay, that's working. So the problem, actually, this is really cool. The problem with this is so skinny, you have to press pretty hard with your fingers. This needs rubber on it. Why didn't they put rubber on it? That would have been easy. I mean, probably because it's less than $3. That's why. So I got these on Temu. I've been playing around with Temu because it is crazy inexpensive. I've been buying various things for my camera or just cheap toys for my kids. And while I was shopping, I saw these and for like $3. This one is not great, but it works. This one I would almost say is good if they just had some like rubber on here so you could grip it. I actually really like this. I might get me some more of these and just put these like in my car or various places. So I always have this around. This is actually pretty nice. So there you have it. This is what about $6 will get you. I now have 2 more usable precision screwdriver sets. These are not going to be the ones I use most of the time, but they'll be backup ones that I throw in various places and have on hand when I need it. Pretty cool.